Splitters have become a very popular modification for late model Mustangs to give you that race-inspired look and also make the car look a lot lower to the ground. Today we're going to install a set of Drake Muscle Car splitters on this beautiful California Special. This Drake Muscle Car's rear diffuser is a great way to finish off the splitter kit they offer for your S550 Mustang. But this particular piece here is going to go underneath the rear valance. It's going to be specific for your 18 through 20 GT because of the quad tip openings. This has a nice matte finish, again, is a perfect match for their other pieces. For this installation, a lift or a jack and jack stands will make it easier, but is not necessary. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, 1/4 inch ratchet, 10mm socket, and a 10mm wrench. All right, so the first part of the installation, get the car off the ground. They're going to come over here, remove these 4 push pins, maybe 2 on each side. First step here is to install these brackets. This outside piece lines up with this. All right, now we're going to use the supplied hardware and bolt it into place where we removed the push pins earlier. This would be a good time to ask for some help to try to hold this up. Now you want to basically get this and adjust it. It's going to fit flush with these pieces here. So slide it till it's where you want it and then tighten down the hardware. All right, now hold this up and make sure it's where you want it on the end. The plastic's soft, the screws will thread right in. All right, make sure everything's tight and your installation's finished. I'm really digging a look at this Drake Muscle Car's rear diffuser. Now, this piece can be run by itself or with the rest of their splitter kit. The installation, as you saw, pretty straightforward on this piece. I'd say no more than about 45 minutes to an hour. Be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.